there are 8 planets. First, okay, we considered 9, but then Pluto is dwarf, so we have only 8. We just revised Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Can you came to now? We know these are the planets, and where do all these planets move around whom? Sun. Very good. Yeah. We know planets. What you are talking, Nivya, is day and night is this. When Earth is moving, the sun, facing the sun, this side it is day and the other side it is night. Now we have day or night.
Because they are facing to Earth.
No, we are not facing to the Earth. Sun is here. Yeah. And in US, right now it is night. Because it is not facing the sun, there is no light. We are doing day and night. Today we have come here to understand about eclipse. So what is eclipse? Sun is always in the center, slowly moving, which we do not understand, which we cannot feel. Now, Earth is taking round. Just hold it, beta. Earth was taking round, and now Moon is also taking round every day. You see Moon every day, right? Now Moon has come in between. All the sun's light were falling on the Earth first. Now is it falling? Who is coming in between and disturbing? So when Moon disturbs the sunlight, it is called solar eclipse. I will show you how it is. Okay? And by chance, some specific day, when Moon comes in between and does not allow sun's light to come on the Earth, it doesn't travel on the Earth. And wherever the Moon is coming in between, it's dark on that part of the Earth. And that part is called solar eclipse. When Moon is in between, it is called, I want you to repeat, solar eclipse. Eclipse. Okay? So when Moon is disturbing the sun's light, it is called solar eclipse. Yes or no? The sun was giving its rays and it goes on Moon also. But now what is happening? Earth is coming in between. And it is not letting even a single ray to pass on the Moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. So solar eclipse, who is in between? Moon. And lunar eclipse, who is in between?
Earth.
Which eclipse?
Solar.
Which eclipse?
Lunar.
Again.
Solar.
You know what? Solar eclipse always happens during the day. One fine day, suddenly you will feel, Mama, why it is so dark? Why is the sunlight not falling? Because Moon is coming in between and it is not letting the sunlight fall. And it becomes dark very rare, 3 to 4 times in a year, not every day. It is 3 to 4 times in a year, and that also happens in different places. It is not necessary it will happen in India or in US or in Russia. It keeps on changing. It keeps on changing. Somewhere it will be completely dark. Somewhere only little dark. Now I am going to show you the demo how it happens with the Moon, Earth and Sun. Okay? Till that time Earth and this
Moon.
Yes, Moon. And where is my Sun? There. Which eclipse is this?
Solar eclipse.
Why solar eclipse?
Between of sun and earth. Because the sun is giving the sunlight only to the moon.
Lunar eclipse night, which is very dark. Very dark. And lunar eclipse happens only during the night. And it happens 5 to 6 times in a year. Solar in the day, lunar at the night. Okay? Now the again moon is moving. And then now again. Okay, we are playing game. I am moving the moon. You have to identify which eclipse it is. Okay. Keep it down. There, come this side. Jiansh, come little this side. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to play a riddle game, okay? That you have to see. I happen during the day and I can last up to 7 minutes. And I do not let during my eclipse there is no light on the earth on some parts. Solar eclipse. Huh?
Can you show on the
Can you
wheel?
show on the wheel where is solar eclipse? And what is in between? So what is in between in solar eclipse? Show me.